There's nothing in the fridge. What the? Everything is hot. Ah, the fridge must be out. The refrigerator's out. Call the homeowner's insurance.
I just got the mortgage bill. It's not the homeowner's insurance, it's the home warranty. Amber sold us the home warranty.
No, fue la Melina. What about this? This is the bill. What the? Principal, interest, escargot, PMI,
I think the
TMI.
word you're looking for is escrow.
I don't know, but I need this thing fixed. So you call the guys at the PMI to fix it.
No, we don't call the guys at the PMI.
We need to figure this out, roommate.
We do.
So,
without further ado, and coming to you live from Yuma, Arizona,
it's Insurance Talk. Hey, so ever since the novella,
yeah, our novella,
Days of Insurance,
it's awesome.
Things between us are not the same.
No, we've been fighting.
Besides the misconceptions, now we have misunderstandings. Okay, we argue over the difference between homeowners insurance
and home warranty.
Home warranty.
Oh my God.
And then PMI.
Don't even get me started. Too much TMI.
So today, to reconcile and fix our issues on Insurance Talk. So we're bringing counseling in.
We got Dr. Phil?
Our guest tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the host of tonight's Monday Night Raw, Dr. Phil.
No, not Dr. Phil. Nobody's, no feeling.
Okay, fine.
We're gonna have two specialists come in and try to fix us. We have the one and only.
Whoa! Oh! Amber is a good energy.
Oh!
Whoa!
Without adding any more flavor to the pot, we're gonna have Melina. Melina, one of the top realtors in Yuma County.
That's exotico.
Exactly.
Melina.
Once again, Diana. We've had issues.
A lot.
And it's been confusion.
Of course.
Now, our viewers know what homeowners insurance covers.
We've gone through it in a couple of episodes.
Yeah, exactly, right? This is episode what?
This is episode 8.
Ocho. Not the chavo. Our clients, pretty much, our viewers know what homeowners covers. A lot of people get confused that homeowners insurance is the same thing as home warranty, and they have no idea what PMI is. What they do know is that they pay for it all together. Okay?
Right.
And when they have issues, they're like, they come to us, but in reality, sometimes we're not connected to any of these issues we've been having.
Apparently, we're completely different, which is why
we brought in the specialist.
Counselors.
So we have Melina, which is
Melina.
They had to.
From the jungle. So Melina, how long have you been a realtor?
Going on 3 years.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Fast. Yeah, it goes by quick.
Wow.
Amber, how long have you been a loan officer?
I've been a loan officer for a year, but I've been in the industry for 6 years. So.
Okay. So we got some very talented people here with really good experience about the industries they're in. That's why we brought them in to counsel us, because there's issues. Melina, so in the buying process with your clients, in reality, how does it work out? They find a house, they call you, and hopefully you sell them the house, right? How does home warranty work?
So the easiest way to explain it to a client, especially someone that's buying for the first time, home warranty is an option for you to add while escrow or up until 30 days after you close on a property. Home warranty itself is not mandated or required for you to purchase when you do purchase a home, but it's recommended. It could be actually something that can be paid by the seller when you do make that original offer. So it's another, another item that you can request.
So you cover two things right now.
Yes.
The home warranty, which basically what it covers is
home warranty will cover appliances. It can cover anything from like AC unit, to refrigerator, that if it's in the house while you purchase it. I mean, stove.
In case they break down, right?
plumbing,
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Homeowners insurance is completely different.
Completely
That's-
different.
If it burns, then we jump in.
Yeah.
In your case, which explain the home warranty, if the refrigerator goes out, I love saying refrigerator. Refrigerator. Turtle. So if the appliances break down, the home warranty kicks in, and
Yeah.
you talked about how either the buyer of the home can pay for it for this warranty, like an extended warranty, or sometimes the person that's selling them the home will pay for it for the first year.
Correct.
Now you named a term that I'm not too acquainted with, and Amarillo, you can help us out on this. Escrow. What is escrow?
Escrow is,
I just like saying that word.
it's also known,
Escrow.
I feel like an
Escrow.
adult when I say it. Escrow.
Escargot.
Escargot.
Completely different.
No?
God.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, so escrow can also be known as
Maluma.
impound. Okay, so escrow is pretty much what holds your impounds together. So when you purchase a home, you have principal and interest, property taxes, property insurance, which is a homeowner's insurance, and you have your PMI. PMI acronym stands for private mortgage insurance. So these are all with your mortgage payment. And then we have this famous escrow account that holds your impounds in there, which will be broken down into your PMI, your insurance, homeowner's insurance, and your property taxes. Look at it, an escrow account, you can also look at it as a savings account that your mortgage company holds for you, okay?
Oh, okay.
So every month, 1/12 of each of your mortgage payment goes into this escrow account / savings account that we hold for you. And
Well, that makes sense. now.
Okay.
There's like a pocket of money there to pay for
there you go. When
the
it's time
property
to pay 'em,
taxes, which is completely separate. The homeowner's insurance, well, that's
that's
and then you talk about the PMI, which is protects the loan.
Yes, so what private mortgage insurance is, unfortunately, it does not protect the client. It's honesty insurance that protects the lender, us as lenders. In case you go into a default, you go into a foreclosure, this is what covers us as a lender.
So it's
And
protecting the bank in case somebody walks away from the loan.
that is correct, and obviously we've heard a lot of those issues in the past. It still occurs, unfortunately, and that is why when a client borrower puts less than a 20% down on a down payment, that is required to pay.
No, so the PMI is calculated into my monthly mortgage payment to protect the bank.
That
It's
is
another insurance that has nothing to do with homeowner's insurance or home warranty,
Correct.
like you talked about.
Right.
The home warranty wouldn't be included in the escrow?
No, it's not. Actually, it's part of, could be a part of a closing cost. And like Melina
Okay.
said, either the
So
seller.
either your seller
Or buyer
pays
can
for
pay
it,
for it.
pay for it at the year that the seller doesn't pay for it no more, then the client has to pay it on their own.
Yes.
But it's not included with the mortgage payment.
That is not
Completely
included.
separate but equal.
Yeah.
Separate but equal.
Now, Melina, you've sold townhomes and condos before, right?
Yes.
There's a difference between townhomes and condos, and you do a lot of those policies. On a condo policy, what do we cover?
We only cover inner walls.
Okay.
So whatever is inside.
And a townhome covers what?
It's a house.
Almost like a house,
Almost
right?
like a house, yeah.
Now, can you tell us what the difference between a townhome and a condo is, and what's an added issue with a condo, which you probably have to deal with as well, because it's I don't know if the homeowners association fees.
Yeah, and that's what I was going to mention. So usually when a client is interested in a condo or a townhome, identifying which one it actually is, if it's considered one or the other, and getting it with the lender, because I know like it has different association fees that need to be taken
Requirements.
into account when they're quoting them a monthly payment, because that's something that's going to be added to your monthly
And it
payment.
is very important to add, yes,
Yes.
along with flood insurance. Those are two main things that can make a mortgage payment different.
So now we kicked in another insurance. Wow,
Sorry.
Wow, we didn't bring in the flood expert. But flood insurance we do as well, and it depends on whether FEMA requires you to have flood insurance or not. A lot of people call us about, hey, I have water running down the street, do I need flood insurance? It's optional, but it's not required. But in some cases on certain loans,
When they're
if
on
it's in a
flood
flood
zone,
zone, so you need to talk to your clients about that as
Yes.
well. And they need to figure this out because it goes into your escrow? Escargot?
Escargot?
You know what?
Escargot?
That flood insurance along with HOA gets paid kind of separate
HOA is
from your mortgage
The
payment.
homeowners
Yes.
association. Yes, and usually in some single-family subdivisions there is HOAs, but you see them more commonly with condos and
condominiums.
How do you say HOA?
What do you mean? How do you say?
These are several things that you need to talk to your insurance agent for the right coverage. You got to talk to your realtor. That way they can guide you and let you know what you're gonna be getting yourself into.
And you gotta talk to your loan officer.
That way she can break down on that little savings account, that escargot, escrow that you have.
Escargot. Don't confuse the public here. They need this so they can be adults and move out of their parents' house.
It's not called living with your parents if you pay them rent. You get my Venmo, Dad? Good, I didn't send.
So anyways, guys, this is great information to have. Are we okay now?
I think we're fine.
I
I
feel
think
better.
we're gonna make it.
Yeah.
We're gonna make
Okay.
it.
So once again, guys, can't wait for episode 9. I want to thank our guests for being here today.
Our counselors.
Appreciate all this things they do for us to bring things together. Okay, we'll see you guys next week. Thank you guys.
Yes.
Thank you for watching Insurance Talk.
Bye.